be showing up here in a few minutes. Gonna be hitting the trail that got the best of me last spring. I had the 500 getting loaded up here. All Hilts should soon be making an appearance with the Moto, CF-Moto, and then we'll head out. 152.6. She's still a freshie. What's going on?
Oh, not too much. Yeah, maybe we'll head back this way first then, eh?
I'm fine driving for that woods trail as long as I don't get stuck.
Hopefully this footage turns out. I didn't check my white balance or nothing. I haven't used this GoPro in months. Just fired her up, hit the road. At least I charged the batteries. I'm a little prepared. Hilts here just cut this trail out not too long ago in the winter. Well, it's still winter, but when there was snow. I've been through it once, and she was a lot prettier in the snow. But it's a nice little goat path. Better than to take it on the road anyway. What's that?
I could use a little attention.
Yeah, a little tune-up. Still good little trail though.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Steep little climb. Oh yeah, nothing to it now. R.I.P. Whoa! What's that? Ain't yours, is it? That wasn't your skid plate, was it?
No, Bob's been off for a while.
Alright, so you went over and it popped right up. I thought it might have been your skid plate.
Yeah, no, my skid plate's been off now for quite a while.
Alright. What's that?
Pothole's up there. Go through this one, stay on this side. Over on that side, run a stuck and stick it in.
Frig, that's a big one.
This side here is okay though. I went through this side.
Did ya?
Before, but it wasn't quite like this. It wasn't wet.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, and the good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't bring me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm looking down, can't stop me now.
Break them in a little bit how you're gonna drive them. Give her a little feller. Attaboy! Hey, show your old man how to drive that. slippy. Yeah.
Ain't as icy this time.
What's that?
Ain't as icy this
No, no, a little better now.
time.
Yeah. This is the one I ate shit on 2 years ago. First run on the 500. This was a glare of ice. I was doing, I don't know, a lot more than I am right now. And when I hit, I didn't even know this was like rough like this. It was all flat basically. And right about here is where I realized brakes didn't do anything. And I slid, kept sliding, I had the brakes jammed. And I got right about here and I wanted to go in there because he was parked here. And I caught a ridge and just rolled her. I didn't really break anything, just had an air box full of oil. That was how I popped the cherry on the old 500 anyway.
Just got her home. Time to wash her up. Get her looking good for the next run. 211.9 kilometers. 2 bars left. The light's on, but I still got 2 bars left. When I left, it was at 152 point something, 0.5 or 6. So what's that? 50, 60, 59 kilometers. And I left on a full tank. There's what I'm left with. So they're gas pigs, but man, do they rip. Let's get her cleaned up and on to the next one.